Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You see this puppy? She got a new haircut. But back to what we were doing. I'm going to be doing a cooking series. So I came up with this idea because I love cooking and everything. But let's get on to the video. Oh, I'm making scrambled eggs today. Wait, before we get started, I need to get suited for cooking. Alright, so we're about to get cooking. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you one thing. So I put my hair up in a bun, see? It's a very messy bun, but I don't care. So yeah. The reason why is I don't want to get hair in my food or anybody's food if you're cooking. So yeah. I have all my ingredients here. So what you'll need is a whisk and a bowl, a pan, butter. You can also use like the Pam spray, but I like using butter the old-fashioned way. So you're going to need some eggs, and some milk to make it fluffy. You can get cheese also, but I don't want a lot of milk because I'm lactose intolerant and it makes my stomach hurt. You'll also need some salt. So, yeah. First thing you want to do is you're going to turn on this, and I'm just going to turn it to 3. You got to turn on your stove thing. I'm going to get my butter now. Butter, see butter? Yeah. And I'm going to just put it on here. And it should go on very smoothly. You may need to wait for it to, get the pan hot. But I put it on first thing, so the butter will melt on and it'll be very good. All right. So we're done with the first step. For the second step. Oh, and I also have a towel here for the eggs when I crack them. Well, this is the point now. Now you're gonna get your bowl. Yeah. You're gonna get your eggs. You're gonna open up your eggs. Whoa! Look at that, the flames. Alright, so now to make it even, I'm gonna take off these two sides, the one from the back and the one in the front from the very ends. And then put my bowl on here so it would keep it protected if there's any raw egg going anywhere, because you don't want raw egg anywhere. So yeah. So you're gonna bang it twice if you need to. Sorry about my dog in the background. Put that on here. Gonna crack your second egg. If you're one person, you need to have 2 eggs. But if you're more, like 8 or 4, you will need 8 eggs. 8, you will need 16 eggs. And that's not enough for this. So. What I like to do is, since this is kind of taking up the space, I like to crush the egg like that. And then I'm going to have to throw it away at the end. But you want to wash your hands, so I'll see you after I'm done washing my hands. Bye for now. So, now what you want to do is you got to get your whisk, and you're going to crush up the yolk. And like doing that, and then do it the other one, and then I start mixing it. Oh, I thought I had a shell. If you have a shell, this is a hack for you. You could put water on your hand and then just try to get the shell, and it works very easy. So, yeah. I'm going to get another one of these. Ooh, that smells like onions. The stove does. Well, let's put this on here. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's mixed. It'll look a little bit like this. You see it? Yeah. Okay, I hope you did. Well, I'm going to get some milk. I'm going to shake it. And I'm going to add a little at a time. until I want it the color I want it, because I like a really light yellow. I'm going to add about this much, but you can add as much or less milk as you want. I think just a splash more. Okay, that should be good. It looks very gross, but it tastes very good. Alright, this is the color. It kind of looks the same, but this is the color I want it. I don't want to pour it, so. So now I'm going to screw this back on. Oh, and we already put the eggs and the butter back in, by the way. Excuse me. So now I'm going to just put this in the whisk in the sink and throw the napkin, well, the towel, in the trash can. So the sink is right here, and the trash can is over here. You may not see me. Yeah. So I splashed some also, so that's also why you want to have one of those things on. Ugh, ew. The pan smells like onions. Alright. Now I'm just going to pour my egg mixture in here. Sorry, I have a stuffy nose. Well, not a stuffy, but then watch carefully, because I never ever need to add any more salt. So you gotta go boop, 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 and that should be enough. Oh yeah, you'll also need another thingamajig. I'm going to use this saucer thing. I'm going to have to turn it higher. Oh, I didn't get it right. Well, that was a fail. But it's fine. Oh, I'm also going to put this. And clean this area, or like wherever area you're working in, before you start cooking, because you want it to be sanitized. Alright. Hands. I'm going to put it for about boiling for like 2 minutes, so I'll see you once it's done. So peace out again for now. Alright. So it's been like 2 minutes already. Very fast, very fast. And, oh, okay. It looks very nasty when you first like scrape it and stuff. Oh, and by the way, you don't want your eggs runny, because that can make you sick. One time, I was at my friend's house, and her dad gave us some lunch, and the eggs were very runny, and I got really sick, and it does not feel good. But I turned down the heat because, excuse me, because it was about to like boil, so that's why. And it looks like it's about to come together, but it still looks a little bit runny. I like to kind of pat down on them. And if you were asking why, if I didn't mention this, if you were asking why I added the milk, was because it's going to make it fluffy. Usually you want to add cheese, like if you want to add cheese, you can. And if you want to add pepper, you can. I just don't like both of those. Well, I like cheese, it's just lactose intolerant, like I said. But you can add cheese. I used to eat it, and it tastes really good. Alright, so it looks like the eggs are done, so I'm going to get a plate and scrape the extra eggs. Get the plate. Got my plate. It's a small plate since this is a small batch, and I'm going to turn off the stove. And, oh yeah, so we got these, my dad got like these pans for Mother's Day or my mom's birthday, because, well, it helps prevent from getting your hands like hurt and burned, know, when you have like just that part, it burns your hands, and I've done that, and it does not feel good. Yeah, I've done it plenty of times, so yeah. Now I'm gonna get a like a mitten thing. This one, which is quick, and I'm gonna just pour my eggs. That's why, if you could see, I did not want to touch things. Well, like that. All right. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, but that's the end for now. All right. Peace out, Kickin' Chicken Squad. Hey,